Okay, so figured out the problem. It was just the operator. Okay, so I'll just try and get that into focus. And you can see that disappearing. Now this is just uneaten food more than anything. I'll get down there carefully. You can see it getting sucked up. And an unplanned for side effect, the reason I'm doing this now is because I'm going to empty the radial flow filter. So I'm doing this yet. Before I empty that, then we're going to put some water over into that other tank. I've got to plumb that other tank up yet. I haven't plumbed it yet. Done everything else but today, because it's actually going to be a little bit of a mission. Okay, so you can actually see the solids moving through the pipe. If I leave that go, you'll be able to see them coming up. Oop. There maybe. Anyway, we'll give this hose in the corner. You'll see it all start to disappear as I get to it. I'm really happy with this. It's a really easy fix. I had everything I needed already. That 50 to 40 mil reducer was a board item for the job, with what I got for phone got in water. Bye.